IEEE journals lead the field in the latest impact factor and CiteScore rankings. A wide range of IEEE publications were consistently listed among the most cited journals in multiple technology categories of the JCR findings as measured by Journal Impact Factor. IEEE journals ranked number 1 in JIF in several categories including automation and control, cybernetics, imaging science, information systems, remote sensing, and telecommunications. In the most recent CiteScore report by Scopus, multiple IEEE publications were consistently listed among the most cited journals in multiple categories. Looking at other bibliometric measurements, IEEE has 8 of the top 10 journals in electrical engineering and 10 of the top 10 in telecommunications by eigenfactor score. In addition, IEEE Access, IEEE's largest fully open access publication, is ranked as the number 1 journal by eigenfactor in electrical engineering and telecommunications. To learn more, visit innovate.ieee.org.